Okay, so yeah, good morning, June 30. So last day of June today, Tuesday. So I show you, this is what I'm doing now. We will see, we will cut the wood. Yeah, this is the line. This what happened, this is the finish after cut the wood. Yeah, same after make it like this, tayin natin, and then isanding, yung sanding, yeah, sanding machine. Tapos one guy, yeah, for wood stain, already one pot yesterday. Okay. Uy, natapakan ko yata kahapon ah. Ha? Yeah, this is the wood stain. After sealer, apply the sealer, clear. Okay. Oh, set out mo na, Yak. Yan.
Hello, shout out everyone.
Oh, yan yung ating alamat sa wood stain. Okay. Yeah.
Di pa yan final, ha?
Yes, not final.